Welcome back, guys. I'm here again with my boring lecture. I know it's very boring, but it's very important to understand why the high time frame analysis is important. If you don't do the high time frame analysis, then you can't decide what is your daily bias. So you have to start at least from the weekly chart in every week. You can do that in weekend like Saturday or Sunday, but you have to do it. Otherwise, you won't be a consistent profitable trader. So here is like 15:23, so market will open within 2.5 hours. I would like to share my thinking about this week, what is my bias and everything. So let's go to the chart. Here is the dollar index chart. You see market traded the monthly fair value gap and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 bull candle, and at last it has traded the rejection block and closed just below the rejection block. I don't I won't I wouldn't like to see that market respect this rejection block and it breaks lower. I would like to see that it will go and break the rejection block and trade at least this high. It will clear the liquidity from this high. Here is the relative equal high and the monthly fair value gap. This is the weekly I fair value gap as well. So my long-term thinking is, this is the long-term thinking. I don't know how long it will take to happen, but this is my thinking. It will trade something like this. This is the long term, it will take maybe 1 year, 2 year, I don't know. Right now I'm thinking that it will clear this high. This is for my this week target, at least this high. Let's go to the daily chart. So here is the daily chart. You see this level is the rejection block, weekly rejection block, and this is the daily block, daily order block. Here the daily order block. Let me clear this one. This is the daily order block. Market actually support this daily order block previously, and it stopped the price to go higher and send it to lower, clear all of this liquidity, monthly fair value gap, then come back to this level again. This is the second time market is actually trading the order block. So what I would like to see, I want to see that this time if markets want to go higher, then it will go rapidly and take all over this liquidity in this week. This is the buy side liquidity. Let me mark it. At least this week it will clear all of this liquidity. This is my target for this week for dollar index. Let's go to the hourly chart. Market will open within 2.5 hours, so I'll see how Sun open happen. I want to see something that it will actually open a little bit higher, then it will trade lower. Maybe it will support the order block or the consequent encroachment of this week. So let me mark it. Maybe it will open somewhere here, then trade at least the order block or the consequent encroachment, then it will go higher. This is my plan, but I will see how the open happen. So if market opens like this way, then I will wait to see something very dynamic, something like that will give me confidence to think that market will go higher. This all down move will happen before Monday New York AM session. It has to happen, all of this, the lower move, it has to be end before Monday open, New York AM session open. It's a long time process, but overall I'm thinking that market will go a little bit lower then go higher. So I'm bull in dollar index. So let's go to the ESU 2023. When I'm bullish in dollar index, obviously I'm bearish for even S&P. Let's see what it has done. Oh, that is very juicy. You see, the relative equal high. Wow, there is the relative equal low. Mm. This is, this will happen maybe within after 1 or 2 years. I think so, because this one is very much, very near to the current price action. Right now, you can see that the week before last week, market has traded almost the consequent encroachment of the monthly fair value gap. It didn't trade. It looks here that it has traded the consequent encroachment, but actually it didn't trade over here. So it went last week. It went higher and come back, closed just above the monthly fair value gap high. I want to see that it will go, and this low, specifically this low, is the target for this week for ES. I'm bearish for even S&P this week. Guys, again, if you don't do this, the weekly analysis, it will be very hard for you to be confident. You can take trade, you can gamble, you can predict, you can do everything, but if you want the confidence, you have to do this analysis in every week. Every week you can't take, actually you can escape from this analysis part. It's boring, but when you will you'll see that the market start to act like you have marked, you will feel better. You will fall in love to this analysis, all of these boring things. You will be fall in love. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Trust me, guys. So this is the daily chart for even S&P. You see the order block. Market has traded over there. Breakdown. Then the Friday. This is the Friday. Right now, price is just above the monthly fair value gap high. You remember this level? This level is the monthly fair value gap high. My target is here, and if it's very heavy, then it will go maybe to this box. But let's see what happens. But overall, I'm thinking that it will go lower. Let's go to the hourly chart. You see this high and this high, they are relative equal high. Let me clean this one. Market actually traded the consequent encroachment of the hourly I fair value gap, then break lower. I would like to see that it will open lower, little bit lower, maybe just below the monthly fair value gap high, maybe somewhere here. Then it will go higher and clear the relative equal highs. Market doesn't want to keep the clean highs or clean lows. It's very rare that they will keep it like that way. So maybe uh, it can happen like that way. Sunday open will be here somewhere, then it will clear this highs, trade the full fair value gap. You see this fair value gap, it has traded the consequent encroachment. Now it will just totally close this gap and then break down. This pattern is my bias for this week. This is not daily bias, this is weekly bias. And now let me actually mark this gap. You see 25% of this big gap, it can trade at least over there. I want to see this gap is to open. This could be the breakaway gap. It will make me more confident that market will go lower if some portion of this gap keep open. Yeah, I know guys, I will share a video about the breakaway gap, but this week I can't do it. I will explain everything about the breakaway gap. I understand, but give me some more time. When I'll be free, trust me, I promise I will make a video about the breakaway gap. And if you really do understand what is breakaway gap, the trading world will be so easy for you guys. Trust me, it's just awesome. It's amazing. So okay, so that's all for today. I think you will understand how to do the weekly analysis from higher time frame to the lower time frame. Uh, okay, let me tell you something else. Actually, you see this level, this is the order block. I can see if it happens like this way, it opens somewhere here, then trade the order block, then go higher and clean this low. This low is my short-term target. This equal, I'm sorry guys. This equal highs, they're my short-term target. When they will be cleared, then market will break lower, and the consequent encroachment of this of the monthly fair value gap. This is actually my target for this week. So I will try to upload some more video every day before the session. Until then, be safe. Cheers, guys.